Yeah, anyway, there you go. I made the shorts, but they definitely ain't long enough, I tell you that. But yeah, I got all that. So, that new home bill we started there. The weirdest thing is going on. We got the foundation done, and he like says, "Well, I ran out of money." I thought, "Are you kidding me?" Well, I actually say that, but you know, says, "Okay." I go, "Well, I'm gonna need this much more money to, do the grade and put the seal around the foundation, because you know how that is. It's gonna deteriorate, and that'd be history." But anyways, yeah, that's what we're waiting on a new home build up there in the hill. So when I get back up there, if they get the money, then I'll make some more videos on that. Excuse me. But yeah, I just picked up another. Well, I'll be starting another home remodel, little tiny house. So after I get the prices together. But all right. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.